Hello, today we will be making this magic top hat with a bunny. So for this project, you need to cut out this bunny shape with the arms and the ears. You need this circular shape and also trace a smaller circle the size of a toilet paper roll circle in the middle. You will also need this black paper, to wrap around the toilet paper roll. You need a craft stick, some tape, scissors, some glue, and also some markers to decorate the bunny. So I will begin by finishing off the bunny. So I already drew in the eyes, but I'm going to color them in with some highlights and the other eye, and then this mouth here. And now I will go in with the pink and make some pink ears and also these paws here, like so, and the nose and the mouth. And then lastly, I will just make the bow blue right here, bow blue. Now I have the bunny ready. I can cut out this circle. So I'm just going to fold in half and cut along. So when I have it opened up, there will be a circle in the middle. So this is for the rim of the top hat, and it looks like this. And now I can use some glue to wrap the toilet paper around in the paper. So I will put some glue here, around like so, and wrap around the toilet paper roll. And I will also add some glue, more glue here on the end so that it sticks better, like so, and then like so. So that will dry nicely. And now I'm going to make cuts along the toilet paper roll top. So just here, and make them in intervals like that. So we're going to fold them over later. So like so, here, all the way around. So that's why the black paper is just a bit shorter than the rest of the toilet paper roll, so that you can see how long it's going to have to be. Now I can fold these over, and that's how it's going to look. And I'm just going to flip this over to the back and put the toilet paper roll right on top here. And then I'm going to use some masking tape just to tape these extra pieces to the bottom rim. So this is what's going to make this top hat effect out of our toilet paper roll. So I'm just going to use tape all the way around, like so. And I think one more piece of tape right here will finish taping. There we go. And so now we have our top hat, and now we can just fold the arms of the rabbit inward, bunny, and then the other arm so he will fit. And in the back, we're just going to tape our craft stick, one more piece of tape, and there we go. So that's what we're going to use to pull him out, and then put him through inside, make sure he hides, and there you have it, the bunny in the top hat. Thank you for watching.